Hey guys, alright, we're back with another tutorial. Today we're going to be making maze games. So this one's pretty simple. You just play with a normal character, try and navigate your way around a maze.
Yeah, so first of all we want to do is, like any other game, we have to make the characters the sprites. So click on this Pac-Man looking red thing here, and what you want to do is call your first one sprite person and load sprite, and you should have the folder with all these images and all that good stuff, and you just look bear looking thing.
That person's really creepy, but okay.
Yeah, alright, don't worry about how creepy it looks. Alright, so now we go here and make the wall, for example. You can do it in any order, I'm just doing it in this order, but you can follow with me, guys. So you load sprite, and then you go to wall, which is all the way down at the bottom. And yep, so you click OK. Make another one, which is the last one, which is sprite goal. So when you go on here, you've reached the goal. Okay, and this time you load sprite, and it should be like here. There you go, just 3 things. Oops, don't want to get both of them. Alright, so yep, everything's okay. Okay, so next what we're going to make is the objects.
Yep.
First we're going to make object underscore person.
With the objects, we're not going to do any events until we make all of them, because a lot of them tie into the others.
Alright, click on the one we made earlier, the first one we made. We don't want to make this solid because it's a character, so you just click OK for now, but we're going to tamper with it a little bit later. And then now we're doing object wall, and then for this one, the wall you made earlier, this one you make solid, so it doesn't go through the wall when you're playing, because we don't want that.
Go through the wall. Okay, the wall is the wall. The wall can't go through itself.
Well, you can't go through the wall, like that's something. Alright, so let's make our next object. Underscore. Oh, I just blanked out for a second. Goal.
Let me said it again.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I typed fast and then.
It's alright.
Alright, and then with this flag thing we made earlier before, we don't want to make it solid. You think it's solid, but no.
So do your events now.
Yep. So add event, and we're going to collision. And then with the person, yeah.
Yep, person.
Yeah, right. And what you want to do is go to what's it called?
You want
is
to
it main two? Main 2, yeah. I want a main 1.
Oh, no, control.
Yeah, it is control.
Main 1, ha. Okay. Yeah, this is
like, it's main 1.
There's so many different tabs, it's so confusing.
Yeah. Alright.
So, what we want to do, we want to check if there's actually a room first, which is what that block did.
Yep.
And then if there is, it'll go to the next room.
Yeah, just click OK, no tampering with this one.
And then otherwise, which is an else block, which is in control.
Control, yeah.
So we put it in the else.
Yep.
Which is like same as otherwise, or whatever. You want to restart the game, which is in main 1.
Main 1. Alright.
No. Well.
Oh my god, this is okay. There we go. So you restart
the game.
Okay,
that's it for the.
Yeah, we're done for that
goal.
one. Next, we're going to go object person.
Yep, because the wall doesn't have any events.
So add, and we go keyboard. Is it?
Yeah,
keyboard. Yep, keyboard. All right. So left. I'm gonna put all these in. So you need all of the keys. So right.
So left, right, up, and down. That's what we're gonna put in.
Yep. Up. And oops. Up. And then down. So there we go. We got all of them. And so for this one, you get this star looking thing. You drag it in there. And since this is left, is it?
Yeah, this is left.
So you go to the left arrow and make the speed 4 because we don't want to go too fast.
Yeah,
and yeah, so click OK. And then for the up one, you go up, of course. So drag that in, up, speed 4. So it's not that fast. This is a good speed.
Yeah. And again, we're bypassing all the relative stuff on this because we don't want to change the speed each time we press it.
Okay, so this one was right.
Yes.
Just checking I don't make any mistakes.
Fair enough.
And then you drag this one in, and that's bottom.
Yep.
4.
Yep. Okay. And you want another event? You want the keyboard? You want the no key event?
Yep.
Which is right down the bottom.
The second last one.
Yep.
No key event, and then you go here and you do the middle one. That means not moving, and you don't set the speed because there's no point. And you can, but you won't do anything.
Okay, so that's not quite it.
Yeah.
So what we want to do, we want to check if the grid is actually aligned, because there's a grid and it's we're setting it to a 32 by 32 grid. It'll make more sense when we do the room, but yeah, this block we want to drag into all of them, even the no key event, and
make
set
them
it to 32 for both.
Oh my god. Oh, it's tab, sorry.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
And that needs to go above.
This one?
Yes.
There we go. All of them have to go
Yes.
above.
And then do that for all of them, so 32.
32?
Yep.
Oh yeah. Yep. Like that?
Yep.
Sweet.
You
I'll
can
check
copy
that.
it.
What do you mean copy
Copy
it?
the instance. This would make you guys' lives a lot easier.
There you go.
And then last one. Or last two.
Just paste them.
Yeah.
Like that.
I only just thought about copying it.
And that saves you a lot of time.
Yeah.
Of course.
And then
Yep.
I believe that's it for that.
Yeah, so pretty much you're...
collision with the wall. I got that. So add event.
Yep, add event, collision.
Yep. With the
Collision and with the wall, and you don't need to do anything, really, you know? You
wall.
don't.
No, this one.
Yeah, no, this one does
No.
not need it.
No.
Well, you're going
This-
up, not going
this-
down.
Yeah, okay, this is... So we're kind of scrolling through this.
Yeah, we're going through a PDF file of the thing, so we don't mess up.
Yeah. So it just stops. If it hits the wall, it won't do anything. So
Yeah, so-
move.
Move,
Yeah.
sorry.
And then fix position. Yep.
Oh yeah, and then
And
yeah,
nowhere.
middle, and then yeah. There you go. So that's done, I believe, yeah?
Yep.
Okay, and we'll try out the game.
You need a room.
Oh yeah, we need a room, sorry. I completely
Yep.
forgot
We'll
about
make
that. Okay, let
the
me,
instruction.
let me
here
just
that we're
size this so we don't have any scroll
Yep.
little...
reading- The instruction that we're reading right now says we need a minimum of 2 rooms, so that way it switches between rooms. But we're kind of
Okay,
actually,
so...
we'll probably do 2 rooms.
So, okay, sorry, we first have to set the coordinates 32 by 32 because 16 is too small. And
Yeah.
Yeah, and it will look better. Okay, so then we have, and you go set here, find the wall, and then you, to left click is to put it, and right click is to remove it. So you can hold down shift and just drag it down like this.
Holding left click.
Yeah, holding left click too, and holding shift at the same time.
Yep.
You can really just, doesn't matter how your maze game looks. Just make it as a maze, but just don't need to copy us because this one's going to be really bad, trust
Just
me.
gonna do what I did.
Yep.
Yeah.
So just something simple, and oops. What makes this game hard is that you actually have to go exactly on where it is, where the bear is. We'll show you. Hang on. Until I'm just making a really simple game here. You get the gist.
Yeah, it's kind of a big circle.
Yeah, there we go. And then what you want to do is get your little person bear thing, and then just click it in there. And you have to add a goal, so when it goes on there, so add your goal here. And there you go, click OK.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, it doesn't
Yeah, don't
matter.
worry, it doesn't matter, that's just... Okay, now run your game. This might take a while.
I don't know. Don't mind if you guys heard
Don't
that,
mind, yeah,
worry
don't
about
mind the
that.
noise. We're kind of in a public area.
Alright. Normally you would make like 2 rooms, which is why we added the if the next room exists, you know?
Yeah.
But we're just too lazy to make it.
Game should work, up, down. And
So it won't stop until...
let me check if all the keys work. Alright, all the keys work, so pretty
Okay.
much you just have to...
Let go anyway. It doesn't stop until you're aligned with the grid.
Yeah.
I already did like most of my book
So
we
once
just-
you stop
yeah.
it, you can't see the grid, but it stops where the grid is.
Yeah. If you really wanted to mod this first part, you can just change a couple of the thingos. But yeah, that's
Yeah, it's a
about
long
it.
process getting
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, but and then we'll collide with the flag, and then it
Then it
just resets.
resets. No,
But that's pretty much it for the first part of this game. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and we'll see you guys in the next part.